everybody, and welcome to 2023 gardening season. I'm so happy for all of you that have subscribed to the channel. I was away for a while and I've come back. I've got a phone call saying that they're ready to give me an allotment, what I've been waiting for. So I'm going to show you my allotment, what I'm going to be working on over the coming gardening season. Also, I'm going to be working in my garden and showing you my container gardening, what I do at home. I've never done anything like this. I hope that you're all going to come aboard. Any tips what you want to give, anything what you want to see done, just follow along with me and together we can grow the channel. Like, share and subscribe, and tell a friend to tell another friend. And as I go on, I hope I can bring you as much content as I need to. So I'm going to show you what this plot looks like. It's 6 poles, compost bins, but they put something in there and they're a bit rickety, so I'm going to have a look at those later on. There's some rubbish what was left on, but they're going to clear that up for me. You can see the shed leaning to one side. I don't know if I can straighten it. You can see there's some nice big pots there. There's a water butt there and a water butt there, and as you can see they've already dug some beds and covered them over. The person what had it before, so I'm going to just dig these up and manure them over the coming season. See, I've got some nice long beds. This bit here actually started, but I'm going to dig this and make a nice long bed coming down here. Got some beds to dig up. I've also got all this to dig up. This morning I came down, so I come down a bit early, make a start and start bringing round some manure. We have a lot of it over the back there. I don't know if you can see. My cameraman's going to try and see if you can get in there. I've got the added bonus of having a water tank there. Not only have I got a water tank, but I've got the added bonus of having the tap on my plot, which everyone has to use this one, but it's there for me already, so that's why I took this one. They've not switched on the water yet because it's not the season for it yet, but when they're ready they switch that on for everybody to use. So that's what my plot looks like. You can see the full length of it. It's quite lengthy, but it's narrow and manageable for me, so I'm just going to make use of what's there for this season, and then as I come along I'll decide if I want to dig up the rest, like how this one's dug up. This is my neighbour, I haven't met him yet, so his one's narrow as well. I think this was meant to be all one plot, but I think they're dividing it so someone else can get the use of it. So that's what my allotment looks like. So remember to like, share and subscribe and follow me along. We can grow this channel together. Any gardening tips, anything that you want to see done, just let me know and we'll give it a try. I've got the space now and I've got the space at home in my container garden. So I'm going to stop this allotment one and I'm going to show you what's happening in my garden at home. You can see there's quite a lot there, but it goes pretty quickly, so that's why I come down early and said I'll get some on my plot. I said I'll get an early start on my one and see where we go from there. So if I need manure for home now, I don't have to get the farmyard one. I can just come down here, get a couple of some and take it home with me to use. So that's a handy thing there. Bring this here all the time. They've got some stables over the back, so all the manure for everyone to use. everything, so you just take how much you want. So that's the manure. And over here they have some potting soil. What they told me, this was potting soil, but not a lot of people use it because they just buy the bags of compost at the shop. But this is potting compost that they've got. It's quite handy to have everything at hand. So right now I'm in my garden now, and I've just come back from holiday, like I was saying before, and I've got to get my garden ready. As you can see, all the containers are piled up still. Some onions growing in some of them. So all the containers are ready for planting. What I'm mostly going to be doing out there is just planting like my potatoes and things like that here. I don't want to be doing any digging with my back, because now I've got the allotment. It's going to be more, so I'm going to have to see what I can manage. But also, most of these containers I'm going to be putting potatoes and my lettuce, all the plants what's nearby. As you can see, my chards come back up, but I'm going to cut that and use it one day because the leaves are still soft. Because usually when they come back the leaves are hard, but that leaves are soft, so I'm going to when I'm ready I'll take that out. Some of the plants have starting to come back. I don't know why my neighbours won't fix their stupid fence. It's just flapping all over the place. So that's what my garden looks like. Got some weeding up to do and that, not a lot. That's all these pots are stayed clear. The trees are starting to come back now. My plums and my 2 pear trees, I don't know what I'm going to do. Got some strawberries coming back. They come back every year, but I think it's time for me to put some new ones in. So I don't know if I'm going to do that here or do that at the allotment. These was my peppers from last year. I don't think these come back. That's from last year, so those ain't coming back. So those come out already. So that's about it. So please follow me on this year's journey of 2023. Like, share and subscribe, and tell a friend to tell another friend. Not only going to be doing container gardening, we're going to be learning a new thing with allotment growing as well. I don't know what I'm going to be planting down there yet, but as we go along we'll show you what is what. Watch out for the future videos coming out soon. I'm going to be showing you how to plant your sweet potato, get your slips and that going. I'm going to be doing those in deeper pots. I might plant some here, and then I'm going to plant some in deeper pots at the allotment. And just watch the channel and see what's new, what we're going to be planting. We're going to be got more space to plant cabbages and stuff like that now, so we'll be doing that and just getting on with the garden season. So if you want to leave a comment in the comment section. We'll get back to you on most of them, and just help the channel to grow. I don't want you to just watch it, subscribe, and we'll all work together and have a successful gardening season. I know things are getting very expensive in the shops now, and when you can grow your own, it's a lot better. You don't need a lot of space. This garden is small, and now I've taken on a bigger thing for you to get as much content as I can put in. So the videos will be coming out quicker and faster, and we hope you all enjoy them and follow along with us and take part in the channel, and I'll see you all on the next one. Thank you for watching.